Hello, this is Teresa Keck with the National Weather Service office in North Platte, Nebraska with an update to our weekend winter storm briefing. The next update will be Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. So now we're going to take a look at how the models are carrying the system out onto the plains. By this evening, the area of low pressure will be near the Four Corners region. It will be expanding eastward overnight into Saturday morning. At that time, area of low pressure, semi-stationary fronts from eastern Dakotas down across New Mexico. By noontime Saturday, there's a good fetch of moisture coming off the Gulf at this point, and showers and thunderstorms should be developing from the Texas, Oklahoma area into Kansas, also expanding well into southern portions of Nebraska by evening. By afternoon, we're looking at snow developing across our northwestern zones. This area of low pressure will continue to lift off into the northeast overnight, which will, by midnight through about 9 o'clock in the morning, is when we're expecting the heaviest amounts of snowfall to occur. But also by morning on Sunday, we're looking at the winds increasing. So this impacts are going to be blowing and drifting snow possibly as well. Sunday afternoon, we should start seeing things taper off. The system is going to begin to lift off to the northeast toward the Great Lakes, and by Monday morning, you can see how it's well off to our northeast. So main impacts right now is going to be Saturday night into Sunday morning, snow heaviest possibly from midnight all the way up to around 9 to noon time on Sunday. Given the thunderstorm potential, here again is the Day 2 convective outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. You can see that the slight risk area across Texas, Oklahoma has been shifted and expanded further to the west. The general thunderstorm outlook maintains anywhere from Cheyenne up through north central Nebraska over to the Omaha area. Again, this is for on Saturday with the general thunderstorm potential. They're looking more for winds right now, possibly some pea-sized hail, but we'll know more as we go forward. So how much snowfall are we actually talking about? We're still looking for significant snowfall amounts across our northwest, anywhere from 6 inches up to 8 inches. Higher amounts across Cherry, Kepaha, and western Boyd County at this time. These numbers will continue to be adjusted as we get more information going forward on this winter storm event. Down here along the Interstate 80 corridor, anywhere from about 2 to 5 inches. That also includes if you're heading out on I-76 toward Boulder as well. Now a quick look at our weather story. As the headline reads still, powerful winter storm to impact the area. Our headlines have been updated to include a blizzard watch now for our northwest, and the winter storm watch has now been expanded further south and east to include Grant County, northeast through Wheeler County. The watches are in effect for Saturday evening through Sunday. As more details come available, those headlines will continue to change over the next 24 hours. By Saturday evening, we're looking at snow in the west, a rain-snow mix, and then showers and thunderstorms possibly for portions of the southwest through north central. On Saturday night into Sunday, the snow becoming heavy, possibly about midnight, continuing through about 9 o'clock in the morning for portions of our forecast area. Snow falling throughout the whole forecast area, just the heavier snowfall amounts are still focused up here across the northwest. So maintain awareness to what's going on and be prepared to change travel plans if necessary. As far as the road conditions, anywhere across our forecast area right now, especially north of the interstate, be prepared for roads becoming snow-packed into Sunday morning. This includes portion of I-76 and the Interstate 80 corridor. For the winter storm watch, central and southwest Nebraska, you're looking at 2 to 5 inches of snowfall, winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 40. And the blizzard watch area, that includes much of western and north central Nebraska. You're talking 5 to 10 inches of snow, the winds about the same, 25 to 35 miles per hour, gust up to 45 miles per hour. However, the impacts are the winds impacting widespread areas of blowing snow. So just be aware to check road conditions, the Nebraska Department of Roads website, or just call 511. So for your decision support, here we go. This is our highlights for Saturday night into Sunday. thunderstorms pretty much for southwest into north central. That's going to be going on from Saturday afternoon into the evening. Just general thunderstorm impacts, some wind, some peace ice hail. Otherwise, the precipitation, we're looking for snow developing in the northwest, a mix of snow and rain, rain further southeast. This all transitions over to snow overnight into Sunday morning. Heavier snowfall, possibly from midnight through about 9 a.m. to noontime Sunday. Roads definitely becoming slushy Saturday night, possibly snowpack Sunday morning, especially across our northwest. Winds are going to be a problem throughout the area on Sunday. Northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts of 45 miles per hour or higher. We're looking at blowing snow, drifting snow, and for those that are going to be outside, the impacts including the cold temperatures. This concludes our weekend winter storm briefing at this time. Our next update will be about 9 a.m. Central Standard Time on Saturday. We are planning another conference call tomorrow as more information comes available. This is Teresa Keck with the National Weather Service office in North Platte. Thank you for listening.